Bula. Welcome to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making Vakalolo, a nice simple steamed cassava and coconut sweet pudding, Fiji style. So let's get on with it. Now here in Australia I'm able to get this product here, which is minced frozen cassava. And now you can substitute fresh grated cassava into this recipe, but this is what I'm going to be using today. Now to start with, into my bowl here I want to put 2 cups of this minced stuff. Alrighty, now to my minced cassava there I'm going to add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, so dried grated coconut. I've got half a cup of brown sugar, and I just want to add about 1/4 cup of coconut milk for now. Obviously I'm using tinned coconut milk. I'm just going to mix that all up, and if it's a little dry I'll add a little bit more of that milk. We'll see how we go. Alrighty, so I've got that mixture all nicely mixed up. I'll just move that out of the way and show you these. So what I've got here are just some squares of banana leaf. Now where I buy that frozen cassava, it's like an Asian food supply shop. They also sell these leaves frozen. Quite a big packet of it, so I just had to thaw them out, and you just cut them into roughly sort of fairly large rectangles like so. What I'll do is I'll get about 3 spoonfuls my cassava. And we'll just roll that up. Tuck the ends in as well. So you just got a nice little package like that. And we're going to be steaming these, so I'll just start putting these in my steamer. Alrighty, now once I've used up all that mixture, I got about 6 good sized Vakalolos. I'm going to get my steamer onto my wok full of water onto the boil, get this on top of it, and we're going to steam them for about 45 minutes. Alrighty guys, now as you saw, I've just unwrapped one of my Vakalolos there. yeah, like I say, that was about 45 minutes. Just pull him off there. Tear a bit off and we'll give it a taste though. Alright, give it a try. Yummo. Absolutely delicious. Wow, it's really yummy. Look, it's not too sweet, which is good. I like it like that. But if you've got a real sweet tooth, maybe you could up the sugar a bit. But personally, I wouldn't. Yeah, not much more I can say. Traditional, yummy. Fiji, brought a bit of Fiji here into my home kitchen in Australia, which isn't always easy to do. And yeah, really happy. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask you hit that subscription button and also that little bell icon after you hit the subscription. That just lets you know when I upload new videos. Yeah. What can I say? Vakalolo here in Aussie. Who would have thought? Alrighty. I will see you all next time.